What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between Xiaomi 11T Pro and ZTE Axon 30. The Xiaomi 11T Pro comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor and ZTE Axon 30 comes with Snapdragon 870. Both of them got 8GB RAM and they're running on Android 11. The benchmarking applications we got today here, they are Geekbench 5, 3D Mark and Antutu Benchmark. So let's see how much all of these hardware specs are going to contribute in these benchmarking test results. So first of all, let's start with the Antutu benchmark. So here you can see that Xiaomi 11T Pro scored 734,166 and ZTE Axon 30 scored 714,086. So the winner is Xiaomi 11T Pro here, and you can also have a look on the individual test score result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX. As you can see that in CPU, memory and UX, performance of ZTE Axon 30 is better, but when it comes to GPU, performance of Xiaomi 11T Pro is better. One of the reasons that the CPU score of Xiaomi 11T Pro is less compared to ZTE Axon 30, even though it got better CPU, because Xiaomi is actually limiting the CPU performance of the device to control the temperature, and because of that it is achieving even lower than Snapdragon 870 in the CPU test on Antutu benchmark. But our main concern is the overall score, and in that the winner is Xiaomi 11T Pro, but still the overall score achieved by Xiaomi 11T Pro is around 6 to 8% lower compared to other devices running on Qualcomm Snapdragon 888. But here we are comparing it with ZTE Axon 30, and compared to that, it's a winner for sure. And now let's talk about the 3D Mark. This is a GPU benchmarking test, and here we got the result for some of the tests we performed on these two smartphones. So in wildlife, Xiaomi 11T Pro scored 5,884 and 1,550 in wildlife extreme. ZTE Axon 30 scored 4,253 in wildlife and 1,232 in wildlife extreme. So once again, in both of these tests, wildlife and wildlife extreme, performance of Xiaomi 11T Pro is better because this is basically a GPU test, and as we have seen in Antutu benchmark as well, in GPU performance, Xiaomi 11T Pro is way ahead of ZTE Axon 30. So once again, the winner is Xiaomi 11T Pro. Now let's have a look on the last test for today, and that's the Geekbench 5. This test is divided in two parts, CPU and compute, and once again the CPU test is divided in single core and multi-core. So in single core, Xiaomi 11T Pro scored 1,118 and 3,644 in multi-core, while ZTE Axon 30 scored 981 in single core and 3,183 in multi-core. So once again, in the CPU test of Geekbench 5, the winner is Xiaomi 11T Pro. If you have a look on the compute test, in this, once again the winner is Xiaomi 11T Pro because it scored 4,635 compared to 3,544 of ZTE Axon 30. So in all of these three benchmarking tests, Antutu benchmark, Geekbench 5 and the 3D Mark, performance of Xiaomi 11T Pro is better compared to ZTE Axon 30. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.